So let's talk about template-based content creation. This is something that I've got from Imri Bar, very talented guy. That's very cool. Let's see if we can actually do that live, and I'll present it to you. So Imri says, choose a beautifully formatted LinkedIn post. Okay, so he used this post by Jasmine Alec, and what he did, and that's the post. Okay, so the post says, the shortest LinkedIn masterclass ever. Your post quality content consistently. You comment like crazy every day. You create new conversations. So this is the post that he'd like to model. He'd like to create a model based on. And what he tells ChatGPT is, it says, copy paste it into ChatGPT, put it in quotation marks, and then the prompt that you want to use is, ChatGPT, can you template the following post structure so that the formatting and structure of the post stays exactly the same? All the words are themes are modifiable. Template it in a way that the format is editable for any other theme. And then it says, sure, here's the template you can use. The insert theme masterclass. You do something consistently. You do something every day. You get noticed by others. Then they visit your platform profile. Okay. So what it says here, it says it's too specific and too similar to the original. So what do you do now? Let's fine tune. So you template it in a more generic way. So all the sentences are fully modifiable for any theme. Okay. So ChatGPT replies and says, certainly, here's a more generic template you can use. And then the masterclass, blah, 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 step, insert action, step. And now he wants to put it to the test. Okay. So try it out with a theme of your choice. Sure. The exercise masterclass. So you can just say, do it with the theme, with the exercise theme. So set a goal for clear goals. So what he did is he took a post and he created a template for it. And now he can use it with whatever he wants to do.